No one's in their windows.
Still in that window out there.
Surprise, motherfucker!
And I wiped them.
Nice. Nice.
Beautiful. They had no idea.
Bottom level. Should've just bailed out of there. Dude, the only shitty thing about that, beyond the
I'm in danger!
oh, it's like, if you, well, I guess, I just need to pay more attention to if it's on burst or not.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's a lot of damage!
Tell me more. They're jerking each other off.
Whoa, alright. Somebody shot me through underneath. What the fuck? And when I was in the tunnel.
Dude, of course he has. Okay, just go.
Down that guy. Oh. Yep, no, exactly what you just said.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Those are so fucking ridiculous.
Fire.
Imagine having those pistols and losing to a gray, brownly aged.
Team white.
There's one up here.
There's
with
one
us.
down here.
Or no, he's down low.
I got down low.
Okay.
Dropped it.
Relocating the safe zone.
Stand by for
They're at the
coordinates.
bottom, literally at the bottom of blue. Now one guy's close. Now he's downstairs.
Fight station cost.
Fire cell.
There's one man downstairs.
I'm hit, I'm hit.
Okay, he automatically knew. Back.
Thermited one.
Red house, second floor. I'm going for it.
On me? What the? What? On me too?
Oh my.
That's just blasphemous and embarrassing, and Lord knows what else.
Nice fucking ass at the game. Uninstall.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Wait,
what's
what?
going on?
Someone up the stairs.
Oh, I got sniped. Milano OP.
Ooh, she just scared the shit out of me. On me? Cracked him. They're all ghosted.
Of course, they're using the Sykov.
Wait, no. I don't know. Other one?
Oh my god.
What? Dude, I hit them. I hit crack two, crack two.
Oh my god.
Enemy
Hey, well,
UAV
nice team.
overhead.
I downed one.
Good to go.
Call an ambulance! Call an ambulance! But not for me!
Oh my god, oh my god! Oh shit! I knew it! Damn! Landing on here, I don't even fucking care anymore.
Wait, did you get all of them?
Dick bitch. Fucking go, go, go!
Good shit.
Help him, help him!
No way.
Dude! One more! I'm beating his ass! Oh! Oh!
That was insanity. That was pure insanity. Oh, one here. Two, actually.
Did you press them, bro?
Sykov, bitch.
Okay, I stuck the phone. What's the code?
I downed him.
Over there.
Today.
One on the roof I got.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Nah, let
On us again. You don't learn your lesson, do you?
Cracked one.
Down one.
Enemy fire.
This pistol is disgusting.
Two teams. One in the staircase.
My caliber. Sighted.
Yo, they're coming up the stairs.
Throwing stuff.
Oh shit.
One more.
Anybody can fuck with me.
Dropped him.
What's got me?
The guy was sitting in the corner. I didn't even notice him.
What's up?
One more left.
Nice.
Grandma, have you ever caught a perch before? Yeah, I can do that.
These guys are.
Safe zone.
No, the Sykovs. Why didn't you work?
Got gas
Stun
moving in.
grenade out. Safe zone's fire.
He really let me get back up. He didn't finish me.
Cease fire.
Where'd he go? Fuck, I ran in the house.
Enemy
Yeah,
UAV.
I got him.
Sniping up at the houses.
Oh my god, no!
He's not in here.
Let's go up the stairs, up the stairs. Now.
No. This whole building's full.
Oh my god.
Target.
Actually, I should have had 3.
Behind us.
I'm in their sights.
They're lighting me up. On your side,
Fucking got ya.
Yo!
They're south over here in these houses.
Enemy
Okay,
UAV
Daddy.
overhead.
Are they? How close are they?
I saw them on the roof. Weren't they on the roof over here?
Yeah, I hear him close.
Safe zone.
They
Finish
upstairs.
another one.
25 remaining.
No one upstairs.
He's around the building. In here on me. Someone.
Oh crap.
Shit. He's cracked. He's weak. If someone can get in there and finish him.
Yeah.
Damn.
Down.
One more downstairs there. Downstairs. One more flying in. Up top flying in. Flew in. We're getting shot from Kim 2. They got
Team white.
M16s in the windows.
Quarter. I swear to God, fucking
somebody hit him with an R6.
Gas is closing in.
I think those are teammates. I can't tell if those kids are above you or below you. Looks like they're above you. Alright, is our loadout gonna be in the center? Yeah, I'm just trying to land. I'm just gonna dive bomb our loadout real quick. Hopefully I don't die. Yeah, there's a kid on top of prison. I thought you guys had.
Okay, they're behind us.
Under hostile fire. Heads up.
In here.
Double down.
Nice.
That's a win.
Woo!
They have me sighted.
Hold up, bro.
Let's go.